an experience which I can compare to nothing that I have experienced till now. Over the years, I've tried different forms of healing therapies. I've tried various different modalities to heal myself and to heal my clients, to better their health, to better my health. And this entire experience of sound therapy has been something that I cannot compare to anything else that I've done so far. And I feel blessed and I feel lucky that this actually happened by chance, and I was meant to be here. So I'm happy for myself, and I'm more than happy for my clients actually, because I know what I'm taking back for them is something that is going to also help them better their life, better their journeys. What I'm also taking back from here is a full new family, some really wonderful souls that I've met here, and taking back a lot of knowledge, not just in terms of what I've learned out of sound therapy, but also knowledge of how each and every person here is leading their life, their challenges, facing their life, their challenges in different ways. So that's a lot of personal learning for me, which doesn't happen very easily. Experience of the past 2 days has been, in one simple word, blissful. Both in the physical body, a lot of de-stress, the physical de-stress of the body, a lot of calmness in the mind, sound sleep. I had very, very, very sound sleep last night, and that sense of happiness throughout that I have experienced in these last 2 days. Considering the kind of lives we live, that's a rarity. So if this kind of a thing can do something like this in 2 days' time, with so many things happening around us, I can only imagine where this is going to take me. So gratitude first to Sir, to be, to ensure that we were all able to get all that he could share with us, to be able to share so much with us, open his heart to all of us, and the team. I think, wow, wellness vibe, wow, like Sir was doing that in the bowl some time back. Fabulous. The way you've all put this up together, the Maulis, all of you, thank you so much. I cannot tell you how much love, appreciation,